Yeah, I'm fine with whoever. Yeah, I mean, like, while I made the lobby, you guys, like...
So, Ray,
you guys,
you're
do whatever.
gonna go get him, right?
Yeah.
Well, I guess you don't need to play this round. I'll just have to... You like my...
What are those sound effects?
That was my killing sound effect. I
Hey,
thought...
Corpse, don't let him kill me. Don't let him kill me.
Well, you didn't like my killing sound effect?
I liked it.
I thought it was real.
Oh,
It was
thanks,
scary.
Corpse.
Babushka.
Yeah, Pokey, you should leave.
Why?
Babushka.
It's not me. It's not me, Ray.
Pokey, you should leave.
Babushka.
It's not me, Ray.
Is someone gonna die here?
Maybe, just...
I mean,
just
no
go
one's
later.
We'll
died,
find
so I
out,
think they're
Pokey.
innocent.
Wait, Pokey.
Yeah?
Could you come stand right where I'm standing on this line?
Yeah, maybe you should stay.
Only if you don't kill me. I'm happy to keep
I
my mouth
promise
shut.
I
Just
won't.
saying.
I
Just-
won't kill you,
I'm happy
Pokey.
to keep my mouth shut.
But have you heard of Bingus? Bingus?
Wait, Sykkuno, what's that?
Does that
Oh.
mean
what's
it's
that?
corpse?
What's that
No,
killing
it
sound effect
sounds
again?
like we're
What
on.
does it sound like?
It was like a...
Wait a minute. We said Babushka and he didn't attack. Are you gonna tell on him?
Ray,
Gonna
look.
Tell on him.
Ray, he just killed Pokey right in front of us. We have to, don't we?
But it's Corpse. Choke me like you hate me. Corpse.
Oh, do you think I... Oh, that's true, but he killed her right in front of us.
Listen, the
I
only
did say
time I
Bingus.
tattled on you, you did say Bingus. This is your fault. I should tell
Wait,
on
what?
you.
Wait, no.
It's like a-
It's not. Wait.
You guys,
Oh
it's
my God.
Sykkuno.
What?
Yeah.
No.